Look who's here, guys. Look who is here.
Welcome to Enugu. Eba Ugos. Eba name everything on the east. Enugu is a very good town, as you can see. Look at it. Welcome to Enugu. Eba Ugos. Eba name everything on the east. Enugu is a very good town, as you can see. Look around. Fine places, fine things, fine chicks. Have everybody doing very good, very fine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera here, and I know I owe you guys a whole lot of explanations. I mean, who just disappears from YouTube without any prior notice, no prior information, no warning, nothing? I'm sorry about that, but I'm sorry for disappearing, and I have very strong cogent reason for that. But before we move into the reason why I disappeared for 11 months, that's how long I've been away from YouTube, that I just want to say a big welcome to all the new visitors and prospective subscribers I have on my channel. Welcome. Make yourself feel at home, make yourself comfortable, just go around the channel. If you don't like anything there, don't worry, this channel is rebranding. Like, there's a whole lot of interesting things coming. You guys are not even ready. I'm serious, you guys are not ready for the content I have planned and lined up for you guys this 2020. So, and if you're a returning subscriber, like others people that subscribed like that year that I started, guys, thank you so much. You guys mean a lot to me. Coming back and seeing that my subscriber count did not just increase, did not just remain where it was, but it's also increased. Thank you all who subscribed, that did not run away, that did not dump this channel, that did not say that this girl is not serious. I cannot waste my subscription on her. Thank you guys for that. And for those of you that subscribed recently, over the last few years, over the last few months, guys, I owe you a lot, all of you. But for those of you that subscribed, this one is for you, because that's like the greatest form of love. Someone is not creating content, nothing, you just subscribing. I get notifications of subscriptions, likes, comments and all that. I'm like, you know, can we just have a party where I can thank you, or like a Thanksgiving party where I can thank you? Thank you all so much for holding your ride on with me. So now let's get into the real gist why I've been away for a long time. So let's do like movie people previously on the life of Vera. Guys, first of all, I went back to school. I went to get an extra certificate, and you know, before my CV and all those other good things people do with their certificate. And guys, schoolwork was sort of overwhelming, and you know, just somehow I just felt like I couldn't combine both at the time. But right now I am ready. School has done me. I have done school, and you know, we're like bread and butter right now. So because of school, I cannot stay away from YouTube anymore. So do not fear that I'm going to run away. And you know, sometimes on some intervals I'm going to bring content from school. So if you're outside Nigeria and you don't even know what it's like to school in Nigeria, this channel is going to show you that. It's going to show you what it's like being a Nigerian student, the whole school life, the stress, the drama, you know, all the good things that comes from school and all the bad things that come from school. I'm going to share them with you guys on this channel. So do not go anywhere. Secondly, guys, I launched my non-profit organization project. It's I call it We Are All Leaders project. This project focuses on SDG 4, that is Sustainable Developmental Goal number 4. The fourth one stipulates that every children in all United Nations countries should have access to quality education by 2030, and my organization is contributing our own quota towards realizing this SDG 4 goal. And over the years, like last 2 years precisely, I think last year we were able to sponsor some kids through their senior secondary school certificate examination, also known as WAEC examination, and then JAM fee. And I'm proud to say that most of these children are in university right now, while some others are still, you know, trying to look for a way to get money to finance themselves through university education. And I just hope that, I wish my organization could, you know, foot this bill. I'll be so much happy. But then so far so good, I'm not able to do that, but I was able to at least ensure that there are school certificate holders. You know, whatever happens, anything good can come out of that. Then last year I was able to donate school supplies to children in underserved communities. I gave them these things so they'll be able to go to school, return to school, and learn what children their age are learning. So, and this year I am planning to expand, I'm planning to do more, I'm planning to reach out to a lot of communities, I'm planning to touch a whole lot of children, especially in the southeast of Nigeria. So this is me appealing to every well-meaning Nigerian out there, whether you're Nigerian, whether you're from abroad, whether you're from US, Canada, wherever it is, and you want to be part of this, please ring me, write me. If you see me personally, the way, holla out to a girl, tell me that you want to be part of my organization, that you want to support, you want to donate something, any amount, any form of partnership. I'm looking forward towards that, so that more lives, more children will have access to quality education. So that is what I spent most of my last year doing. Thirdly, I was also checking up on YouTube, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, YouTube Nigeria has really grown. It has moved from being something a lot of people are not sort of conversant to something, to becoming a culture. Yeah, I'm going to use the word culture. I'm proud to be a new welcome back, welcomed member of YouTube community, and these are the people that inspire the new thing that this channel will be all about. And the most favorites on my list, in no particular form, the Mume, of course, CCME, Fisayo, New Kid, that's Eric Okafor, Chidera Okoli, M13, Nelo Keke, Adeze Space, Vivian Okeze, Diane Kweme, and a whole lot of other people. Winifred Cow, shout out to you, girl, happy married life, and a whole lot of other people. Like, channels keep popping up every day, and these people's content are mind-blowing. So guys, thank you all for inspiring me, and I am back for good. So last but not the least, guys, I partied. I'm not gonna lie to you about that. I had fun. Last year had some, towards the ending though, had a lot of parties and activities going on in my town, and considering I had a really busy year from school, my projects, my organization and all of that, and my blog, I just said let me unwind, cause all work and no play makes Vera a dull girl. So I just said let the chief party. So the chief came out to play, I partied, and I had so much fun. So that is basically what my last 1 year was all about. Now to the present, guys, this channel is rebranding. Yes, if you noticed, this channel used to answer Notabella TV, but right now it's going to be Chivera. Chivera will be all about my life, lifestyle, travel, DIYs, that is do it yourself tutorials, and all those fun things. So I looked around and I noticed that there are I'm not sure there is any YouTuber from the southeast that vlogs about southeast. So I saw that as an opportunity. I said this channel is going to be everything lifestyle in Enugu and southeast. And one of my goals this year, guys, was to travel a lot. Although this is the 3rd month and your baby girl has not gone anywhere except on errands, but there's still hope. Definitely there's still hope. So wherever it is I'm going to go, whether in the southeast or out of southeast, I'm going to take you guys along. You're going to see the world, my own world, in a different perspective, from my own lens. So you're going to see Enugu from my own lens, you're going to see the southeast from my own lens, and you're going to see wherever it is I find myself from my own lens, guys. So expect a lot of lifestyle, Enugu lifestyle, nightlife, food, real estate, religion, culture, whatever it is that is going on in the southeast and in Enugu. This channel is the place you have to go to experience all of that. So if you're in Enugu, you're going to enjoy from this channel. If you're outside Enugu, you're going to benefit from this channel. If you're outside southeast, you're going to benefit from this channel. If you're outside Nigeria, you're going to benefit from this channel. And wherever you are, if there's anything you want me to go cover for you, like there is a place you want to check out if it still exists, or there are places you want, just whatever it is, this channel is like your go-to spot for everything lifestyle, entertainment, and just lifestyle in the southeast and Enugu. I promise you guys, it's not going to be a dull moment. It's not going to be a dull moment on this channel. So wherever it is you want me to go, to send me, I am here. Just like we have our logo, Enugu State is in the hands of God. Enugu lifestyle, Enugu everything is in the hands of Vera. So keep glued on this channel and let's have fun together. So guys, that is basically what I have on today's episode, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to meeting you guys next week with another interesting segment of my vlog. And I hope you like this video. Please like it, share with your friends and your family, subscribe to my channel, drop your comments below. In case you do not know, Vera loves reading comments. I enjoy comments, and I'm going to reply to every one of you who drop a comment below. Peace, yeah.